Oh, this is fun.
Should we knock him in?
Roll the log.
Roll it.
It's this knob coming up.
Yeah, just don't get yourself hung up there.
Don't get hung on the knob.
Don't polish it. That would be disturbing.
Alright, this is the part that looks about dangerous. Is Joseph hog time? Yeah, like Joseph's hog style. Thank you.
Oh, here you go. Man, if you fall in, that's good. Oh, look at that. Is that a spider over there?
What?
See it on the log?
No.
Do you see the crocodile? Yeah,
Believe
see if
in
you can
yourself,
break it,
Joseph.
Paul.
Yeah, don't break it. I can't get it. I'm not gonna.
Here's where we need to be taking. Paul's thinking about taking a dip.
Don't break that.
Why?
Kazoo.
I know. I got an idea.
For what? Walk backwards?
Oh my god.
Let me get you a blindfold. He's gonna fall.
This is your chance, Paul, for video fame.
Head first.
Belly flop.
Oh, then there'll be a branch down there that'll jab you right up the bunghole.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I don't like this.
Why?
You didn't want to get the case wet.
Yeah.
Paul, it's not very deep. It's gonna hurt.
Just grab hold of that branch and jump off and hold on to that branch.
I'm not I don't plan on going in the water.
What are you
Well, what's the point?
It's where you're gonna end up.
Oh, you're gonna do a hand over hand and
Maybe.
bring the limbs home, obstacle course style.
Maybe.
You've been hanging out at Sports Zone too much, or Sky Zone. Oh shit! Oh, Paul, there's no turning back now, Paul. There is no turning back now. All right. Oh, Paul. Oh, buddy. I'll take care of Joseph and the little woman for you. I love you, son. I love you, son.
He's gonna get a branch up his butthole. That hurt.
Well, this is the test of the strength of what.
I got a gorilla for sale.
Oh, wow.
I got a tick on my back for sale.
Wow.
Yeah,
Paul, if I were you guys, I might move out of the way because I wouldn't trust his antics here.
Can you check my back? Yeah. Because I found one. Hopefully I don't.
I think it's going to get worse, Paul. I think your exit strategies.
Not so great.
Well, and from here it looks like you need to get on the little limb, like over here to my left, your right.
I think I need to just
Joe.
go back down.
Heads up.
All right, guys.
Perfect. Only in Tijuana, don't go. What?
It's not going to invalidate.
No. Don't try this at home.
It's
I think you
from
have
bad to worse.
What's with all this high up the street? I think you have to fall in.
He survives.
I think you can jump, Paul.
Over that?
Yeah. Just don't hit that cactus that's in there.
Yeah.
How did he not fall?
I know.
It was a miracle.
I know. Watch out, Zook. Trouble coming up behind you.
I know, I hear him.
You see what a hardhead he is, so. Congratulations, Paul. You dodged a bullet.
Jeez.